Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In this video, we will solve another question of linear law. And now this is your exponential equation. How did I say so? By the way, linear law is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics, right? In the last video, the link you will find in the description below, I explained the solution of this question, right? At the moment, they look same. But if you look at this equation, okay, and if you look at this equation, what is the difference? Here in this one, the current one which we will solve today, x is in the power, whereas in the earlier one, in this case, it is x power n. So this equation is called polynomial equation, and the one which we will solve today is called what? Exponential equation, right? So let's see here, and you will see the difference also, one thing. Okay, so let me explain and then we will discuss all those aspects. So what are the important information given in this question? The non-linear equation is given to you, exponential equation, sorry, and ln y against x is given. What does it mean? That your y-axis will be your ln y, which I can see here, and your x-axis is your x. By the way, this diagram which is given here is to facilitate your visual understanding, I would say. In some question, this diagram is not given, only the word problem is given. So you have to sketch it yourself for the better understanding of the question. Some students do not need the do not feel like drawing it, and some do. So it depends on different people learning styles. So there is no fixed rule. Okay. So now, and the 2 points through which the line is passing is also given here. So I have to find out the value of k and value of a, which are constant. Okay, this is the whole target. So let me first of all change this equation, okay, into linear form. Which is my linear form? Y is equals to mx plus c. So at ln y, at y I should have ln y, and here I should have x. Here I will have constants. What are my constants in this question? K and a. So let's start solving it or rearranging it basically. So I will take ln on both sides. It will be ln y is equals to ln k times ax. And I will assume that you know the rules of logarithm here very well. So now right hand side I will apply which rule? Product rule. Why? Because two terms are multiplying here. So it will become ln k plus ln a power x. After that, which rule I will apply? If I have to bring equation into linear form, which is given here, I will apply power law here. X will come as a multiplier, right? So it will become x ln a. Now, do you think if you compare, it is perfectly okay in the linear form? Let's see, is it or not? Okay. So I am just writing ln y. This term I'm writing first. X ln a. Sorry, I forgot to write k here. Plus ln k. Now if I see here, this is your y, this is your m, and this is your x. I'm just rearranging, okay? It doesn't matter you write this way or that way. And this is my c. So my c is ln k, my gradient is ln a. Now if you see, this is your which type of equation? Exponential equation. So you got gradient ln a. In the previous case, when it was polynomial equation here, I got my gradient as what? N, right? So now my gradient is ln a. Okay, so let's continue. We have to find out the value of a and k. So what comes in your mind now? These points which are given to us on the line, on the x-axis I have x, so these coordinates are x, representing x. On the y-axis I have ln y, so these coordinates are representing ln y. Okay, so now I have to find out gradient first of all. My gradient is equals to ln a. All right, I'm writing here. And gradient is equals to ln a. And this line is straight. So what is the gradient formula we will apply here? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I'm applying that formula here. Perfect. So use your calculator, please. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, so minus 19 upon 600. So now ln A is equals to minus 19 upon 600. I usually prefer, because we are using calculator, to use the exact value in the calculator. Then final answer I will write in the 3 decimal places. So this one will become what? A is equals to e power minus 19 upon 600. So now you can take out your calculator and you can calculate the value. So it is equals to minus, it is equals to 0.96. I'm using calculator, by the way, you can't see it here. So you can also use your calculator. So it is in 3 decimal places, what it will be? 0.969, which is the requirement of most of the paper, to write your answer in 3 decimal places. Okay, so now I have my value of A. Now I have to find the value of K. Okay, so let's take this equation again. And which point I will take? Suppose I'm taking 2, 1.91. Choice is yours. You can take the other point if you like. So I am taking 2, 1.91. Okay. So now in place of ln y, I will write 1.91. All right. And in place of x, I'm writing 2 here. And in place of ln A, I'm writing this value, minus 19 divided by 600. Okay. And plus ln K. Now this I will calculate here. Now let me calculate very quickly. 1.91 plus 2 times 19 divided by 600. So I got here ln K is equals to 1.910175. I'm just writing for you. In the calculator, I will keep the same thing, right? So it will become K is equals to e power this value. In the calculator, because I'm keeping the whole value as it is, so I'm doing e power answer. Okay, so it is giving me K is equals to 7.20. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe if you have learned something, and in the description you can find the link where I have made more videos on linear law. So thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.